We received a Mercedes S500 for repair. The drive belt is in bad condition. The heater hose is leaking. We'll address this leak to ensure both cabin comfort and engine safety. The radiator hose is also leaking. This poses a significant risk to engine overheating and potential damage. The air intake hose needs replacement as well as the pulleys. German Autocare offers genuine spare parts and 6 months warranty. German Autocare offers the best car servicing and provides high-quality automotive maintenance and refinishing services in Dubai. Drive with confidence knowing your Mercedes is in the hands of professionals. Schedule your appointment today at German Autocare and experience the difference.